The word wayo and ojoro in Pidgin English means to cheat or to trick. So an example of using the word wayo or ojoro in Pidgin English would be no play me wayo, or no play me ojoro. No, as you know, usually means don't. And then someone who says no play me wayo means is saying don't try to trick me, don't try to cheat me. Someone who says no do me ojoro is also saying don't try to trick me. Someone who says no play me wayo or no play me ojoro or no do me ojoro means don't cheat me, don't trick me. So that's just another Pidgin English word, ojoro and wayo, and how you can use them. Subscribe, click on the link in the description, get the full free ebook. I'll keep making more videos. Thank you.